Hello everyone, and welcome to HEDGE4, HEDGE4.Ai, an artificial intelligence lab that brings you money. We're a profit-sharing platform. We're making money from different income streams, and we share the profits with you 50-50. All right, let's do a video about how to trade, how to buy or sell the HEDGE token. All right, so let me tell you, we go on HEDGE4.Ai, and here you have the contract number. Okay, so copy, and we have to paste these in two of the exchanges. Let's say in one of them, whatever you want to trade. Copy, all right, and let's say I want to trade it. I want to buy or sell. So I am suggesting Pancakeswap or Dodoex. I'll show you both of them, okay? So I'm going on Pancakeswap.finance, all right? Click trade, then click exchange. Follow the clicks. Take it easy. Stop the video whenever you have any questions and replay it, okay? So in here, remember, we need to go to this button. It's version 1. We have to go to the old version, not V2, okay? So we click V1 old, all right, and then there is a gray button right here. It says it's no longer supported, but it is, it's working, okay? So this button, click it, have a look in here. I'm clicking, all right, and I go continue anyway, continue to V1 anyway. I'm going in here, all right, and I want to see, I want to, let's say, buy some tokens, and I go in here. Let's say I have some BUSD, so I go BUSD. I have $1.43, so I have BUSD, and I want to buy what? Hedge. And I go in here and I put the contract number. Remember, I copied the contract, paste, and it sees it, okay? It sees hedge. So remember, my last 3 digits are E30, hedge. It recognizes the token. I click on it, okay? So I check it out, and let's say I want to buy for $1.30, 1.30, okay? For this amount I get 6,851 hedge, and I go approve BUSD. I'm approving this purchase. MetaMask will prompt me to approve these to, all right, I go scroll down and I confirm, and then it will prompt me to swap it. Wait a few seconds, it's confirmed, okay, the approval is confirmed, and now I'm expecting the swap button to let me do the transaction, okay? So it just turned blue, and I'm clicking it because I want to purchase it, all right? So I'm confirming these, boom, and I just bought 6,854. All right, because I'm confirming again in my MetaMask. It will take 15, 20, 25 seconds to, all right, it's confirmed. All right, so I can show you, this is a transaction, I just made it, and it's confirmed right in here. And you remember, I had $1.40, I spent $1.30, so I got BUS dollars just 13 cents, but the value of my hedge went up with 6,000 and something. All right, now I'm doing the same thing on Dodoex. All right, so I go on Dodoex.io, I click launch app, it will take me to these, same story. Remember, watch out, you have to be on BSC, Binance Smart Chain Network. Don't go on Ethereum, because our token, HEJJ, HEJJ, it's a Binance Smart Chain token. It's a BEP20 type of token. Alright, and I go in here, same story, click on these. I will put paste the contract, and it prompts me to hedge, HEJJ. Click on these. Alright, and let's say I wanna, if I'm paying hedge, I wanna get, let's say, Binance token. So either go on BNB or BUSD. Let's say I want to get my $2 back. Okay, so let's get BUSD. Alright, and I go the value in here. I wanna sell 8,000. 1, 2, 3, 8,000 hedge. Okay, so I wanna sell 8,000 hedge. I'm expecting these to confirm the order. Dodoex should brighten this button here, confirm order. The machine is thinking. Come on, it's looking for good prices on Joule swap and confirm order. Alright, so when I'm selling these, something is wrong. 8,000 should bring me $1.40. Something is wrong, and I'm losing a little bit of money here. But so I'm just getting 15 cents. Something is wrong because the fees are very, very high. They should find me a better price on Pancakeswap. So it's thinking again. Okay, and it should get me a better price. So it's called automatic market maker. Dodoex is computing to get me a better value. Let's see, 800 tokens. What's the value of it? Let's go back to 8,000. 8,000, it should calculate. Alright, come on, hedge. Find good price on bakery swap. So these Dodo, it's going through Pancakeswap V2 street swap. Same story, 8,000 gives me just BUSD, just 15 cents. So I'm not gonna do it, but in the future I got good prices in here. So these, it's too high. You see the price deviation, it's too high, so I'll wait. So my advice to you, either you do it in here but compare the prices, okay, or you do it on you do the transactions on Pancakeswap. All right, so that's kind of it. In the future, yeah, ask me any questions. We are on Telegram, and yes, trade our hedge. We're expecting today the price to go up, double in price, triple, quadruple. You never know, because we're gonna be on TV in a few hours. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a profitable day.